Hi friends, today we will discuss about a very important topic. This will help you to trade in any of your strategy. Let it be RSI, moving averages, any strategy you use it, but this logic will help you to trade even better in those trades. How? We'll just check it out now. Before trading, we should know some simple logics to trade. See here, we can see the trend is moving upside. Okay, trend is moving upside. From here, we can see the low is not breaking out. See, the previous day low is not breaking out, or it's not crossing. Only for the first time we are seeing here the price has been crossed. Okay, the first point we should note that the price has been crossed. Okay, the second thing is, see, after crossing this low, let it be 5 paisa or 10 paisa, it doesn't matter. Okay, once the low has been crossed, it is difficult to go for the other side. See, here the price crossed previous day low and it didn't crossed yesterday's high. You can see here, once the low has been crossed, we are not seeing any follow through for upside. See, okay, the next day also we'll see the price has been crossed above this previous day high and it is not able to come below this. You can see here. So like this, 80% of the time market behaves same like this. Okay, only 20% of time we can see even upside movement and downside movement. So we should be on 80% of the time what the market will do. 20% don't go for that one. Okay, now we'll go even brief about this topic. Okay, one thing we should note, see here, the price has been stopped inside previous day candle. Here we can see the previous day low also not crossed and previous day high also not crossed. This one we will call it as inside candle. We should omit these candles. Only the trending we should take. We can take this one, but we should not take this. See, till here the price crossed above this. We can see the 2 days, we can see the inside candles. Okay, this is second point we should note. Okay, why I am discussing about the topic is, whenever the price cross below the previous day low, it will be difficult to move up. We can see here, you can take from anywhere. See, the price crossed previous day low and we didn't see the same day the price is not going upside. We can see here, we can see the price is going up, we can see the price is not coming down. See here, the price crossed yesterday's high, but it's the same day we are not seeing any follow through on downside. Only this will happen. See here, we can see the volatility. Yeah, just we'll go ahead and check it. See this area. Here we can see the high has been crossed and low also crossed. Like this we can see, or 20 days once or 10 days once, sometimes you can see. Most of the 80% of the time this won't happen. Okay, keep in mind these logics you can use in any charts. Equity, let it be equity charts, index charts, any chart, you can use it. Now let us assume you have a formula. By using RSI you are going to buy or sell, or you by using moving averages you will trade, or anything, any formula you take. Let us assume you will trade. Why we have discussed this topic is that we will know now. See, I will go for 5-minute chart. Okay, see here, we can see the eye has been taken out, right? See, the eye has been taken out. Till the price comes below this, we can't see the downwards movement. Okay, so here we'll assume the price has been taken yesterday's high. For example, the price has been started to fall. Let us assume. Okay, let us assume you are going for sell. Okay, I have sold somewhere here and you are assuming that price will go below this. See, whenever the price has taken one high, it is difficult to go for another low. You can see here, we will see again. See, here also we will see. See, after taking this high, we see that the price has may not been reached previous day low. Okay, very good. Here we can see this is a previous day low. Here you can see this is a previous day low. See, the previous day low has not been taken out. We are seeing the huge movement on upside. We can see here the previous day low. If the previous day low has been taken out, there is a chance the market should sustain here. At least we can see some sustenance here, because 80% of the time the market will show the same thing. See, here we saw without crossing this low, the market has been, we have seen some movement on upside. Now we will go for equity charts and we'll check it. See, this is an Asian Paint company. Here we can see the low has been rejected. See here, the low has been rejected. Okay. After rejecting this low, we can't see any movement above this high. See here, the price going and rejecting towards the low itself. Most of the time it will happen. See here, we can see the price has been crossed previous day high. Okay, it is difficult to cross the low also. See here, once the high has been taken out, another side the low will also be not taken out. It's difficult to touch the low also. See here, like this most of the time it will happen. See, the high has been taken out, we can't see any the low movement. Okay, this is some simple logic. Okay, in our next video we will update it even more further. Okay, and I am planning for some algo strategies. I don't know how to code, so I am learning the videos what I will upload. It will take some time, and till 2 weeks you can observe this in the market, and in our next video we will check it out. And if anyone interested, they can join our Telegram channel. I'll just upload the link below this description. You can check it and you can join. Okay, and don't miss to subscribe, friends, so that you won't miss any further videos. And thank you so much, guys. Bye, take care.